Lately, I've been enjoying making things from scratch because the economy is getting super expensive due to inflation, which leads to people eating lots of junk food rather than healthy food. In this recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to make mayonnaise from scratch. And the mayonnaise, we are going to make some delicious pasta salad, which is going to be very healthy, delicious, and super filling. And it's going to be a perfect centerpiece for your family when eating lunch or dinner. Start off by placing a pot with water for boiling your pasta. I'm going to start off by chopping up my vegetables because this is the hard part. Making mayonnaise is going to take around 1 to 2 minutes. So I have to prep up the fresh ingredients together with the pasta so that we can make our salad. For this recipe, I'm going to be using some red capsicum, which is going to add in sweetness to the salad. I'm just showing you a nice way that you can use mayonnaise once you're done making it. I'm going to remove the membrane. Pick a green capsicum, which is going to add in a very nice taste to the salad. Repeat by removing the membrane. Slice and dice. My water has come to a boil, so I'm going to add in a heaping teaspoon of salt, which is going to season the pasta. Add in 1 cup of pasta, which you can double or even triple to make some more salad. Then you're going to stir in the pasta. Cook according to packaging instructions, which is going to take around 8 to 10 minutes. Avoid overcooking the pasta because it's going to turn out soggy. If you have some yellow or orange capsicum, you can throw that into the recipe as well. Make sure to chop your veggies same size so that each bite can have every vegetable. Next, I'm going to slice 1 small onion. I'm going to remove the skin. Finally, dice my onion. Chop up your cucumber and I'm going to cut in half. Remove the seeds from the cucumber. Then you're going to slice and dice. You need some garnish for your salad, so coriander is perfect. If you don't love, you can add in some parsley. Now that I'm done chopping up my veggies, I'm going to place aside, check on my pasta, which is still boiling. Meanwhile, you're going to need some vinegar, lemon, egg, cooking oil, and salt together with an immersion blender, which is going to make it very easy for you to blend up or to make the mayonnaise. If you don't have the immersion blender, which comes in handy, you can simply use your blender or a processor. The mayonnaise recipe is in the description box. So in your jug, you're going to add in 1 cup of cooking oil. Crack in an egg. Add in some salt. Squeeze in 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Add in a teaspoon of white vinegar. Blend until all the ingredients are fully combined and looking creamy. And after a couple of seconds, your mayonnaise is ready. I'm excited. Tastes just like mayonnaise, and it's perfect because we're using very basic ingredients which you can miss in your pantry or in your kitchen. I'm going to check if it's yummy. It's super. Now I'm going to check on my pasta, which has been boiling for around 8 minutes. Woo, hot. It's ready and well seasoned. So now I'm going to cover and drain off the water. Let the pasta cool for around 2 minutes so that we can use our mayonnaise to make some delicious salad. Pasta is already cooled down. My mayonnaise is ready and veggies are fully chopped up. So I'm going to add in my pasta into my bowl. Add in your veggies into the bowl. This is one colorful salad, as you can see, and here goes my mayonnaise. As you can see, it's quality. Add in your mayonnaise into the bowl. Almost forgot. I'm going to throw in a little bit of pepper, about a pinch. For the salt, I'm going to mix in everything, and then I'm going to check the seasoning. Wow. Before serving your pasta salad, make sure to chill for around 15 to 20 minutes in your fridge so that all the flavors can infuse together, making the salad very delicious. I absolutely love making mayonnaise from scratch because, wow, just look at my pasta. It's looking so creamy, and the recipe has been budget friendly. Wow. And my salad has turned out very creamy, delicious, well seasoned, perfect. Once you scoop out the pasta, you have each vegetable from the capsicum, onions, the cucumber, the coriander, the amazing black pepper. You know I'm a huge fan of black pepper, and also you can cut that vinegar and lemon, that zesty taste in your pasta. So yeah, hope you give this mayonnaise recipe a try, and also try out the salad, which is so yummy.